Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset factory settings to SJ CAM C200 using the settings. And to do this, we'll need to open the settings as it's obvious. And to do that, you can watch our previous video on how to open the settings on this camera. Then when it's ready, we can move to the gear icon page and scroll down. We'll find the reset default settings, click on OK, and then confirm it with OK again. And it will reset all of the settings on this camera. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.